Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add tables in a Constant Contact. All right. For example, I'm going to be creating an email right here. Just going to click on it and wait for it to load. Now, once it loads, I'm just going to go ahead and use start from blank just for you to see how to add a table. Okay. Wait for your campaign. In here, we do have a section that is called blocks. Okay. Make sure that you're under build. And here under blocks, we have a data table. You can go ahead and use this one, drag and drop like so. And in here to add another row or add a column, you can go ahead and click on the table itself. All right, just click on it or inside the table like so. And then you can go ahead and click on this icon, which has the table icon with a plus sign. Okay, click on it and just use your mouse, over your mouse into a number of row or section or column like so, 8 by 3, 5 by 2, maybe 4 by 4 like so. Just click on it and here you have your 4 by 4 table. That's basically how you do it. You can now go ahead and add in some text in here if you want to, like so. Change the font like so. Make the text bigger if you want to. And change the table color. Okay. Like so. You could also add in hyperlinks or links. Say, for example, a web page in here. Text to display as link, maybe Facebook. And you can go ahead and add in your Facebook URL from here. For example, just facebook.com. Okay. You can go ahead and enable click segment like so. Go on drop down and choose your option. If not, disable this one, hit on insert. All right. As you can see here, it only shows Facebook, but when someone clicks on it, it will open up facebook.com. And that's basically it. Just hit on continue and it will just automatically save. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.